to your wall and place your butt as close as possible, preferably a wall instead of a glass, but it's okay. So just begin to lie down comfortably and place both your legs all the way up, and still just scoot yourself closer to your wall. See, my butt is as close as possible. And now from here, just walk with your heels all the way up. See? And there you have it. So by this method, you can bring your hips off the mat and try to roll your shoulders inside and bring your palms wide and nice under your hips, and slowly keep breathing. So maintain this posture for a longer time so that your elbows are getting used to the weight of your body, and then from here slowly lift your leg one by one. Hold for 3, 2, 1 and relax. And the other side for 3, 2, 1 and slowly relax. Just sliding your body all the way down and relax.
We move to the prone postures, and first is Makarasana. This asana relaxes and heals the entire spine. In fact, this pose is best for relaxing after doing other prone lying asanas. Shavasana we practice at the end of all asanas. It relaxes and rejuvenates the entire physical, mental, and the spiritual self. It releases the fatigue, stress, and the tension. Practice Shavasana for about 5 to 10 minutes.